Here I have VODAFONE Smart E8 and this device is locked. I am not able to unlock it, so let me show you how to remove screen lock, how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch off your phone, just tap on power key and tap on shutdown. Now it's off. Then you have to enter the recovery mode, so you just have to tap on power key and volume up key all together, hold them until you see the logo. So it will be Android logo, and now give your device a while to activate recovery mode. And here it is. In this mode you can navigate by using volume down and volume up keys. So as you can see, if you will tap on volume down, you will pick lower option, and then you can go up by tapping volume up key, and then you can select by tapping on power key. So in this case, if you would like to perform a hard reset, you have to pick wipe data factory reset, and now tap on yes. You just have to be sure that you want to perform this operation, because it cannot be undone and you will lose all the personal data. And now it's done. Now you have to go back to your normal mode to turn on your phone by either rebooting system or powering it off, so it's the last icon, but we recommend rebooting, so the first option, first icon, and then tap on power key to confirm it. Now you have to be patient, your device will wipe all data, it will switch off and turn on, and you will be able to use your device as a new one. So you will have to set it up from the scratch and then do whatever you want to with your phone. You can, of course, add some new screen lock. And now you can set up your device from the scratch as a new one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.